Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Binance with QR code. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log into Binance with QR code, open up a web browser first. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in www.binance.com and search. You'll end up in the official web page of Binance, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the top right hand corner and give it a click. This will take you to the login area. You can log into Binance with the help of your credentials or with the help of your QR code. In order to log in with QR code, open up Binance application on your mobile device and log in by scanning the QR code. Grab a mobile device and tap Open Binance application. Make sure that you're logged into your Binance account. Once you are, from the main homepage, tap on the scanner button at the top right hand corner. This will open up your camera. Now, simply place the scanner to the QR code that is displayed on your desktop, like this, and authorize log in by tapping on Authorize. As you can see that you've logged in to your Binance using your QR code. Quite simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.